Is seguro?
Boy.
A little bit shaky. All right, maybe just right there to right there. Solo. See, I have to run. Get him. Got the shake going on. What you got here? Okay, what's good? All right, today we're back in Rio de Janeiro, Copacabana, and gonna walk down the strip at night and see how it goes. Electric. Downstairs and see what's happening on the streets of Rio on a Thursday night. Let's make sure we got the key. We do. All these doors got something nice to see. Let's get an elevator. We'll take another look at the frame rate once we get downstairs. We're gonna try to do this. The setup we got, you can see what we got going on here. Interested in this kind of thing, so we'll try to go out and get a full test on this thing, vlogger style. All right, let's ask these dudes up front if we good. They look busy, so we'll continue on pushing, doing what we do. Just getting out here. Let's make sure it's tight. One last check right here before we head out. Good framing on this. Audio looks good. Let's do it. So we out here in Copacabana. Is seguro?
Boy.
A little bit shaky. All right, maybe just right there to right there. Solo. See, I have to run. Get him. Cool. All right, so he's saying it's not completely safe. I see some things going on already, but we're gonna take this walk anyway, man. All right, so we run across the street, walk down that way there, just to see what's what. So we'll do it like this. It's always a little sketchy at night. You always gotta watch, see somebody running up on you, right? So we'll do what we can. We won't go too far. And if it gets shaky, it gets shaky. So be it. All right, cool. So walking at night, it's well lit. You still could have somebody try to run up on you. Huh? What you doing? For your family? Okay. All right, so we just gonna walk around. You know, having a camera like this out is a scene. What's good? Got the shake going on. What you got here? Okay. What kind of drinks we got? Come back. All right, so we out here. We got people. They see the camera. They getting lively. I mean, it's all kind of vendors out here. They need the support, obviously. So we'll push, see what we can help out. It's the thing I want to do is stay away from fast-moving traffic. But right there, that's the bike walk, whatever. But they got places like this. I don't know why they say 5G Tim on all of them. It's a restaurant. Bar. You know, it's a couple of these going on down here. Anyway, we're gonna walk down here to this volleyball station. We try to get there at least to the volleyball station, see what's going on there, and then see if we can film a little bit of that. Okay, got people dancing, drinking. Then you got these bikes right here. What we got going on? Got these type of bikes right there. They electric. Cool. All right, let's check this out here.
Oh yeah.
You think I'm gonna get in there? Nah. What's going on with this guy? See, we got volleyball. Some type of volleyball going on over there.
Caipirinha, caipifruta.
¿Cuántos costas, Caprina?
Eu tenho de 10, de 15 e de 20.
Ok, 10,
15 e 20.
Okay, so it goes up by 5. So I'm trying to get
É o copo de...
let's see, let's go ahead and
Este copo é o grande de 720.
20.
Eu tenho este de 10, 400 ml. E
Pero
tenho...
es limpia. Es no limpia.
Não, é esse aqui, ó.
Okay.
Esse aqui.
All right.
É esse aqui, ó.
All
De
right.
15.
Let's get the small one.
Tá.
See.
Limão?
Limon. I think I got 5 on me. I don't even know how much I'm paying. But we're gonna watch her make it. Let's watch the whole process. Her making the drink. So we got limon, which is lime. And I'm still paying attention to what's going on in the street. Got people out here walking at night, getting their walk on. Must be something good playing on that headset, music or something like that got her in the mood. Oh dang, we got this right here. We got all this. After, see. And their statue and all that, their work, they want to get paid for it. So we'll tip them something. We'll do a little something there and do it like that. So let's continue with this drink right quick. It ain't easy, I'll tell you that. She putting work in. I'm getting my fruits for the night. Drink is not advisable, but you can tell we got things going on here on the strip. Got a drink in hand, gotta keep an eye on people. What's good? Say, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. All right, tomorrow, mañana. See. All right, so we got it going on with the mañana. I already got one right here. You don't see this? This is no good? Not good. Why is it no good? Come on, man. No real issues. I need to cross because homeboy gonna get after me if he find out I got a drink without him. He was right there. He was right behind me over this shoulder. So we'll head back hotel right now, and it wasn't too bad of an issue, but solo vlogging Copacabana in the strip at night, Thursday night, so it's not as live as point, and I think it's around 10 o'clock right now, no issues, so we'll take that as a win, and I think we got some decent energy on the video. Now we back at the hotel. And let's see that hotel right there? Yeah, we back at the hotel there. And I'm hot, I'm sweating already. It's still like 80 something degrees out here. And it's decent weather. It's decent weather. And it is what it is. So let's get back in here and chill out for a second. All right, that did work the shoulder a little bit. Trying out this camera setup with the lens. I think we stayed in focus most of the time. I didn't have focus mapping on, but we'll see. That was our run of Copacabana Avenue at night, and yeah, I think it was a good one.